InstaCompute is managed through an online management portal that enables anywhere, anytime access to your virtual servers. You can log in from the InstaCompute website or go directly to the online management portal at manage.iaas.tatacommunications.com. Let's log in with the username and password created during sign-up, and we'll come to the homepage of the InstaCompute service portal. This dashboard view displays a quick summary of our InstaCompute usage, including amount spent to date, storage used, and the number of virtual machines that are running and stopped. For now, let's leave the dashboard and create a new virtual machine instance by clicking on the Cloud Console tab and then the Instances subtab. New instances, which are private virtual machines, can be added at any time by clicking the Create a New VM button. VM stands for Virtual Machine. A 4-step wizard helps us to set up new VM instances. The first screen of the wizard asks us to select both a zone, which is a physical location for our VM, and an operating system template. Different availability zones help to reduce latency and create a better user experience. So, for example, if most of our end users are located in India, we would select the India zone. We are given a choice of operating system templates, including blank, shared, private, and featured templates, which are provided by Tata Communications. Let's choose a featured template and create a Windows 2008 virtual machine. On Screen 2, we select our compute resources, including CPU, memory, and storage. InstaCompute offers a variety of instance sizes, from 1 core with 1 GB of RAM, which is ideal for a low-end web server, to 8 cores with 40 GB of RAM, perfect for a high-end database or high CPU application. 20 GB of storage is included with each service offering, and additional storage can be purchased at any time. Let's choose an instance with 1 core and 2 GB of RAM. In Step 3, we can name the instance to help identify it. At this point, we can also purchase additional storage if desired. Storage can be added at any time after we create our VM. Lastly, we review our selections and click Submit to create the new instance. The status indicator shows that the VM is being created. Once the instance is created, we are assigned a root or administrative password for our new instance. Make a note of this password, as it will be required to log in to the new virtual machine. Now let's access our new VM and go to work. For the best user experience, we recommend using Remote Desktop Connection for Windows OS and an SSH client for non-graphical Linux OS, or VNC for graphical Linux OS. To start, we need to assign a public IP address to this instance. Click on the Network tab, and then the Acquire New IP button. We select our zone and click Acquire. Next, click on Port Forwarding. Set the public and private ports to 3389, the protocol to TCP, and select the appropriate instance from the drop-down list. And then click Add. Port 3389 is the port used for remote desktop. Because we're using a Windows OS, we'll launch our remote desktop application in order to log into our instance. Administrator is our username. The password was assigned to us when we created the VM instance, and the IP address is the one we just acquired. And that's it. We're within our virtual machine and can load, configure, and manage applications as needed. When we need to scale our computing resources, we simply go back to the Instance tab to add more VMs, remove instances, change instance configuration, add storage, and more. We'll use the Actions menu for these commands: Instance Stop, Reboot, and Destroy. Attach an ISO disk image, and change instance name and group. The assigned VM password can also be changed here, but only after we stop the running VM. Finally, we can see what disk volumes are attached to the instance and the statistics for each instance.